Rest your palms. And we'll just take a moment of pause here, silence here, to feel the body, breath and mind. Slowly you will start becoming aware about the subtle form of your breath, the presence of your breath. A gentle rise and fall in the breathing pattern. Slowly your body, internal system responding to the breath. The expansion you start sensing in the lungs with the inhalation and the relaxation in the lungs with your exhalation. As your diaphragm pushes down, the lungs expand with inhalation. And as your diaphragm relaxes, the lungs relaxes with exhalation. Let us coordinate the breath and movement to bring a rhythm into the movement, to make the breathing process a little more mindful. Trying to reach a bit by bit, a little more deeper, a little more longer. Imagining the whole body expands here. And slowly the whole body relaxes. Let us do one more breath in, one more breath out. And slowly with this exhalation, bring the palms to the chest. Start the practice by chanting 3 Omkaras and the prayer together. Smoothly inhale. Om. Om Sahanau Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hands to be released with the inhalation. You can always grab them behind or drop it on the floor. Inhale, open the chest, lift the spine up and forward. Exhale, continue to stretch forward and try and drop the forehead down. Inhale, smoothly coming back. Drop the palms and drop the chin. Blink the eyes and slowly open the eyes. Namaste. Namaste, all of you. First, we'll do one round of Bhastrika. Okay, let's finish Bhastrika and then come back to standing. To slightly loosen up the body, we will straight away head into Surya Namaskara today. Okay, Modlu Bhastrika man. Clear your nostrils first. Double exhalations, nostril clear madbekare. Your ears also will get cleared, your nostrils also will get cleared. Then slowly head into Bhastrika. Okay, we'll come to stand. Loosen up nicely first. Okay. Breathe. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe. Okay. So all the 3 stretches I'm going to remind you, which you'll be doing 12 rounds. Okay. First stretch. We start from the hand up. Heel. Okay. Slowly you can start developing. Second stretch. Arm out. Arm in. Third stretch. Interlock finger stretch. And back. Okay. Slowly go ahead with each stretch 12 rounds. You can pause in between, you can walk around in between, you can relax in between. Be aware about the posture, neck, shoulder, everything. So we'll be heading straight away to Surya Namaskara, Bastrika Admele. So I just want you to take a moment to get into Adho Mukha Virasana, all of you, so that we can shake. Okay, so just shake the hips, shake the body nicely. Just do a little bit of movements, circling movements, some Sufi circles. Some thigh loosening movement if you can bend. Okay, in King Cobra. Some moving back to Adho Mukha Virasana. Coming up, squeezing the glutes. Moving back, squeezing the glutes. Coming back, squeezing the glutes, coming back, squeezing the glutes. This will warm up your wrist. Relax and interlock and stretch your shoulders. Rest for a moment in Vajrasana. Take a moment, rest. Calm down. Okay, deep breath in and a deep breath out. We will move into down dog from here, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Take a big stretch, good stretch in down dog. Breathe for a while. Walk your legs and hands towards each other. 2 steps with the hands, 2 steps with the legs, 1 step with the hand, 1 step with the leg. Do your forward bend fold. Hold for a while. Breathe. Use your hands on the thighs. Come back halfway. Breathe in. Take a moment. Pause. And breathe in. Come back all the way up. Okay, take a moment here as you stay. Relax. Close your eyes. Deep breath in and a deep breath out. Let us head into Surya Namaskara and we'll be taking 3 rounds of classical Surya Namaskara. Okay. ಕಾಲು ಅಗ್ಲನೂ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಕಾಲು ಅಗ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿ ಬೆಟರ್. ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಬಗ್ಗದು ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next is your lifting from the ribs. Okay, nicely internal system iruttalla stretch agbeku. I'm not talking about the skin or anything. Belly inside there are a lot of systems. Alli olagade stretch feel agbeku. When you stretch the system, you will be able to bring more improvement in the functionality of the system. Slow ಮಾಡಿ, okay? Stay along with your breath. Okay, ಆದಷ್ಟುನು when you're doing the stretch, shoulders ಜಾಸ್ತಿ open ಆಗೋ ಬದಲು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ hips ಹಿಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So what we will do, hips na ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಲೆಂಥನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಂದೆ ತಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಮುಂದೆ, see? Cramp? ಹಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸರಿ, ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಸಯಾಟಿಕಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಹಿಪ್ನ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಹೇಳೋದಲ್ವಾ ಮುಂಚೆ, ಸಯಾಟಿಕಾಗೆ ನೆನ್ನೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ವಾ, ಕಾಲು ಅಗ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಥೆರಪೆಟಿಕ್. ಯಾ, and also sciatica when we lie down on the back and we do leg raise and knee into the chest, and have not added single leg twist, that is also very therapeutic. But sometimes doing cobra, sometimes without not engaging the hips properly and just doing too much of lift may cause more compression. That's it. Yeah. So you have to just remember a few things. You have to be mindful about the practice. Especially ತುಂಬಾ intense back bend sciatica ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಆ ಥರ. So any moment, any day you feel after the practice your sciatica is aggravated, you need to tell me. Way. Preni, Chatvari, Pancha, Shatha, Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dasha, Ekadasha, Dvadasha. Way, Rainy, Chatvari, Pancha, Shatha, Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dasha, Ekadasha, Dvadasha. Total 3 rounds. Relax, and you will do Padangushta and Padahasta also in the follow-up. Next 3 more movements. Okay. First movement is going to have twisting. Okay, 10 rounds. Second, side stretch, 6 rounds. Okay, in the same side stretch, we will go a little more wider and 4 rounds. Okay. You can loosen up, you can walk around, you can shake it up, your legs. The shoulder width apart, okay? Hips gently, it just sways, okay? It's like your waist is saving, kati. Next stretch, hip joint we will move, but here your kati is this. So kati and kati. And back. Kati and kati. Okay? No. Don't go down. See? You are just going down by releasing the hips. What I want you to do is, this area is there, no? I want you to push. Yes, katina push ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದು open ಆಗಬೇಕು. First stretch ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Heart. And hand ನೋಡಿ, free ಆಗಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. Don't keep it stiff. Free movement. Exactly like. So take relaxation for a while. Close your eyes after 3 rounds of classical Surya Namaskara. Slow down the heart. Breathe softly. Okay, and then we'll head into Padangushtasana. Hands into the waist. Okay, knees bent. Stomach pulled in and back of the spine stretching. Breathe out, breathe out, breathe out, breathe out, breathe out. Grab your big toes with the shooting fingers. Lifting the big toes nicely. Nodi kaalina beralna chennagi etti hidibeku. Bere kaalina beralu press ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Roll your shoulders out, elbows out, head down. Breathe. 1, 2. Calm down. 3, 4, 5. Look forward. Lift the spine. Bring your arms forward. Slightly shift the body weight into the front foot. Almost ನೀವು ಅರ್ಧ down dog ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ. Once again, see, roll your hips back and up. Press, press, press. Hands below. Padahasta. Head down. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, look forward. Release the hands. Hands back to the hips. Inhale all the way, come back. Take a moment, use your hands to the lower back and open your chest. Breathe. Come back all the way. Relax. Relax for a while. Next, we will be doing Utkatasana twist, chair twist. Take your time and then head into chair twist, Utkatasana twist. Try to hold your twist for about 5 seconds. One side will hold ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. If all 3 of you are comfortable, light ಆಗಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. It's all 3 are comfortable. Yes. Can you understand the difference between both? Yes. ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ, 1 ನಂಬರ್. ಹಾ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡನ್ನ ಟಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟ್. Keeping tucked, come forward. Twist. Come back, stretch forward. Inhale all the way back. Okay, ಎರಡು ಸೈಡಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ರಾದರ್ ದೆನ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ, ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಪ್. ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್, ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓವರ್. ಟೇಕ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ವೈಲ್. Hips pushes back. Spine lengthens. ಕಾಲು ನೋಡಿ ಅಗಲ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಬೋತ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದೆರಡು ರೌಂಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲ, ವೈಡ್ ವೈಡ್. ಕಮ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಮೋರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಎಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ Warrior 1. ನೆನ್ನೆ ಆಂಜನೇಯಾಸನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಆಂಜನೇಯಾಸನ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪಾಸ್ಚರ್, but you will also add Warrior 1. Okay. Veerabhadrasana A, Anjaneyasana, reverse Anjaneyasana, and twisting Anjaneyasana. Then a down dog, up dog, and then we're going to do it on the other side. Okay. Yeah, correct. Push the hips back. Do it for 6 rounds. Okay, let's start from on one side. ಈ ಕಡೆಗೆ ತಿರುಗಿ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಗೆ ತಿರುಗಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಬಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ರೈಟ್, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್, ಟರ್ನ್ ದ ಚೆಸ್ಟ್, ಬೆಂಡ್ ದ knee slowly and lift the arms. Veerabhadrasana A. Breathe. Drop your arms slowly down. Drop the back leg knee by lifting the heel by stretching the quads. ಕ್ವಾಡ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಹಿಪ್ಪು ಪುಷ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆಚೆ ಕಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಲೈಕ್ ವಿ ಡಿಡ್ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಲಿಜಾರ್ಡ್ ಇಂದ. ದೆನ್ ಕೀಪ್ ದ ಟೋ ಇನ್, ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ದ ಹಿಪ್ ಡೌನ್, ಚೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಪ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಂಟರ್ಲಾಕ್. ರಾಣಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಒಂದು 5 ನಿಮಿಷ. Slowly arm down. Take a moment. Go back. Lift the toe. Okay. And try to push your body into the leg. ಕಾಲ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. Stretch. And we can also go a little bit back. ಹಿಂದೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದು. Okay? This is called Triangaika Mukha Paschimottanasana stretch. You can also sit completely. Yes. ಇದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಂಜನೇಯಸ್ನ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Then we're going to come back. Tuck the toe in of the back leg. Twist like we did in Anjaneyasana. Twist. Now the intensity of the twist or the intermediate level of the twist is to lift the back leg. Both of you can sit down. Drop the back leg. Come out. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡೌನ್ ಡಾಗ್. Knees down. Up dog. Relax. ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಬೀಟ್, ಪಲ್ಸ್ ರೇಟ್, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಶುಡ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್. Your mind should become calm. When your mind is calm, you will have clarity about the alignment, about the engagements. Okay, and you will have the same strength and stamina and same patience throughout the other side. So take time and then head on to the other side. Vajrasana, and then from tabletop, tiger breathing. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಉದ್ವೇಗ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೋ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್. ಇದೇ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ, then you will not have that patience. So understand, every body and every mind has its own time to recover. Okay? ಗೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸಾಂಬಾರಿಗೆ, ಬೇಳೆ ಸಾಂಬಾರು, ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ಲೋಟ ಹಾಕಿ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಸಾಂಬಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಾಂ, ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಹಿಟ್ಟು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ, ಉಪ್ಪು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ 3 ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಇದೆ. 4 ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಆದರೆ 4 ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಿಕ್ಸೋಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡಿ. ನೀವು ಗೊರ್ನೇರ ಖಾಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ, ಹುಳಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಕಾಳು ನೆನ್ಸಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಒಂದು 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬೇಳೆ ಕೂಗಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಬೇಡ, ಒಂದು ದಪ್ಪನೆ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ದಪ್ಪನೆ ಹಾಕಿ. Yeah, please go on the respective side and understand and do. Correct. Tiger breathing. You don't feel much compression here? Okay. Now what I want you to do is have your elbows little soft. No, which is your elbows? Little soft, little. And rotate around your shoulder. Understand? Yeah. Now, pull, lift, drop. Understood? This is how you have to do it. Exactly. Then you will be using these muscles. So reverse hodaga, I want you to go back and sit completely into the hips. First ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಹಾಗೇನೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ slowly keep coming back. Open. Yes, and stretch. That time you will feel full stretch in the back of the thighs. ಹಾಗೆ, correct. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲೋವರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಥೈಸ್ ಎರಡೂ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬ್ರೀದಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಾಮ್ ಡೌನ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಕಮ್ ಅಪ್ ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪಾಸ್ಚರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಂಜನೇಯಾಸನ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟ್. Slowly and gradually. So once you finish this set, we will be going down to the stomach. Twist. Intensity try ಮಾಡಿ. Twist itkondu kaal ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆದನ್ನ ಎತ್ತಕ್ಕೆ try ಮಾಡಿ. Slowly, in control. No problem. Absolutely no problem. Yes, good. Right combination, presence, alignment. Good. Slowly drop the knee. Take your time, breathe. Turn around, move into down dog. Move into up dog. And once again, rest. Adho Mukha Virasana. Good amount of rest. Good stay in King Cobra as well. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಟೈಮ್ King Cobra ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ when you do all these practices and come to King Cobra, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ strain ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. So try to stay for a little longer time so that the strain is gone. Okay, next we'll move down to the stomach. Everybody can rest. You can lie down to Makarasana. You can take your Adho Mukha Virasana. We're going to take good amount of rest. And after resting, after loosening, ibru ee kadeke tirukkondi, Purna and KP. Ee kadeke tirukkondu rest maadi and take your Makarasana rest as well, and then head into Scorpion. Yourself, loosen up nicely, both of you. Hold your legs, shake your legs, drop your legs, cross in and out nicely. Rest for a while after doing the loosening. Body free bidi, legs free bidi, loosen up ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು if you need to. See, the journey of consistent beginner to intermediate is very crucial, because everybody gets busy, everybody becomes inconsistent, then your body doesn't listen to you. Then pushing to the intermediate level. So intermediate level ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ನೀವು inversions ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. You should do heavy, fancy asanas is not called as intermediate. Intermediate level is being present. Whatever you are doing, you are able to enjoy that movement and you are not struggling in the movement. It can be any simple asana also. The asana which is very strugglesome for you in the beginner consistent level, in intermediate level it should be benne tara irbekadu. That is what is your intermediate level. It's not that you go and do Shirshasana, it's not that you go and do arm balance. Okay? So let's do Scorpion. Yourself, hands below, yeah. Single leg, toes out, correct. Yeah, exactly. So we will be doing one set, okay, of 9 to 10 rounds. Each side. So do slowly. You can take your Scorpion stretch and you can also do inner twisting in the same Makarasana position. We can do both. So that would be something like this. Like single leg twisting only. Madi, if this stretch is very hard, please attempt 2-3 rounds. Like fold ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ KP. Yes, fold ಮಾಡಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. Yes, exactly. Like this you can support. Nodi Purnachandra akasmat hip tumba tight idre ee tara support tagobodu. Aa kelagade kaal fold ಮಾಡಿ. Yes, exactly. Hug. You can take the support. Breathe. So from here we will be heading into our preparatory poses. Okay. So either you can do dolphin push-up, or you can head to the wall for Shirshasana, or you can do a tripod preparation or a tripod stand, depending on your level of practice. Each one of you is in different levels. So whatever you have been consistently working on, we will continue the work from there. Okay? So be intelligent enough, what is the level of your practice, and try to explore the practice in the same way. Correct. Dolphin push-up. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. Pike position correct ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. Hip ಆ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗೆ raise ಆಗಬೇಕು. Correct. About 5 pushes and rest well. Take some rest. Push-ups aadmele, whoever is doing push-up, make sure after push-up to rest the shoulder, you do one puppy stretch. Okay? You do one puppy stretch so that your shoulders become comfortable, and then head into the wall practice or towards your Shirshasana or tripod practice. Mithun, try keeping your one leg on the tricep only and try to raise one leg. Doing like that, you will be mindful about not flaring out your elbows. One leg on the tricep only, one leg up, come down, relax, and then again on the other side. It will train your elbows properly, because in the future we need that. Even when you go to arm stand, it will be helpful if you want to do it in a Hatha Yoga style and not in other way of movement. So right now you have to focus on not flaring out the elbows. Yeah, keep trying, Lakshmi. Good. Okay, next, Apurva and Pratiksha. Bhujangasana. Cobra. Rest ಮಾಡಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು round try ಮಾಡಿ. Yeah, exactly, Mithun. That is what I want you to understand. See, can you feel your triceps better? Correct. Yeah, keep trying. Good. Absolutely. Ashte patience in that effort irli. Yeah, wall hatra barbodu. Ondsati nodi, Lakshmi madadana observe ಮಾಡಿ. Observation is the best teacher, remember. And anybody is doing ahead of you who is a little more higher level, observe. That is also one of the best teacher. Okay. I want you to not come up so much also. Go down. Go down completely. Okay. Little bit relaxed, little bit relaxed. Now we'll work from here. Yeah. Now slightly elbow up, little elbow up, up. Now do you understand? This is what yeah. Because if you come up too much, then you will find compression here. Now what is happening? You're finding stretch here. This is what we want to work on. Fingers first open. Wait. Now. I want you to do the movement from here. Elbows up. Yes, that's all. Can you find a stretch here? Yes. So yeah, Mithun, let me hear from you what was your experience, and did it help you to make you understand the tricep a little more better?
Yes, ma'am. The integration was better when I was able to like lift one leg. The connection between the core and the complete like upper back muscle, I was able to integrate that well.
Exactly. That is why I always say, not your final posture. Intermediate steps will always give you more presence. Okay? Right. So let's take Bekasana stretch from here. Yeah, ಮಾಡಿ, no problem. ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಒಂದು ಕಾಲು ಮಡಚಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಈಗ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಕಾಲನ್ನ ಎತ್ತಬೇಕು. ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ಹಾಗೆ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲೇನೆ. ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಕಾಲು. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಏನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಡೌನ್, ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್, ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, take your time, don't rush. We will head into Bekasana from here. Single leg shoulder opening stretch. Nidana madi, take your time. It's quite intense. But ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ, see, both things are there, you have to think. ಹಂಗಂತ ನಾವು ಇಂಟರ್ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋಣ ಅಂತನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗೂ ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಪುಷ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಪುಷ್, ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ವಿ ಶುಡಂಟ್ ಪುಷ್ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್. Okay, now let's head into Bekasana stretch from here. Single leg alli shoulder opening. Okay, that will release your neck. Aita, next, back. Let's move into the back. Yesterday we did double leg knee, you remember? That is also very good for sciatica. Single leg is also very good for sciatica, for both. Okay, any kind of lower back hip strain, the stretches what we are doing is going to be very nice. Okay, so rest for a while. Simply drop the legs side to side for a few moments and then kaal fold ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Then we will head for double leg knee. Rest and do. Once you're done with Bekasana, we will head on to the back. Rest for a while. Okay, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ rest ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. And then we will be doing Setu Bandhasana, Ekapada Setu Bandhasana, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಚಕ್ರಾಸನ. ಕಾಲು ಒಳಗಡೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಕೇಪಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಹೊರಗಡೆ. ಎಸ್, ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಯುವರ್ ಮೇನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಂಕಲ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಇಂಜುರಿ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್, ನೋ? ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ, ಸಿ ಹೌ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಹಾಗೆ ಕೈ ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದನ್ನ ಹಿಂಗೆ. ಎಸ್, ಎಸ್, ಹಾಗೆ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಚೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೋವರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್, back pressing, hands besides. Lift both the legs, hug both the legs with your arm strength. Lift your upper back. That's it. And drop your upper back, drop your hands, drop your legs together down. Very good. Down, that's it. Fold and down, not straight. Just down, fold. Innond ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹತ್ರ. Yes. ಇದೇ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದೇ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಿಂಗರ್ಸ್ ಹಂಗೇನಾದ್ರು ಆದಾಗ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬೆಟರ್ ವೇ ಟು ಲೂಸನ್ ಅಪ್. Ignore. Okay, the more you crack, the more it starts becoming stiff. This is a better way to circulate the blood. Okay, we'll be doing this for 9 rounds. Right, now we'll slowly head into Ekapada Setu Bandhasana. First is Setu Bandhasana, then is Ekapada Setu Bandhasana. Eradu side allu, both the sides 10 seconds holding you have to do, which will allow your shoulders to open, chest to open. Then only dropping down, we will do Chakrasana. Hamstrings also will open, shoulders also will open in Ekapada Setu Bandhasana. Elbows as much as inside. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಳಕೈಗಳು ಒಳಗಡೆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಏಕಪಾದ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕಾಲ ಅಗ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ, ಮೊಳಕೈ ಒಳಗಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. ಈಗ ಬ್ರೀದಿಂಗ್, ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಬ್ರೀತ್. Elbows will remain in the same way, legs will come inside a little bit and more closer to the buttock. Saku. Now do Ekapada. And when you do Ekapada, bend at your knee so that you can push more higher from here. Exactly. 10 seconds this side and 10 seconds that side. And rest nicely and make some wrist circles and some fisting circles and open circles. Prepare your wrist for Chakrasana nicely. ಹೌದು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಯಾಟಿಕಾಗಿ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ನೋ, ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡೀಲ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ರೂಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ and we just keep it, then it starts compressing the same nerve till here. It will feel compression even in the cervical because it's already getting compensated there. So when you go back, there is nothing happening, right? While doing only, no problem. Okay? Once you finish that, we will be heading into the next stretch, that is single leg raise. Chakrasana. Elbows ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎಲ್ಬೋಸ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕೈ ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? See, this hand can go simply wide. See, your elbows in. ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈಗ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. That's it. Yes, exactly. Breathe, calm down, breathe. Stay, breathe. Good. Very softly, ಅದೇ ತರ wrist external rotate ತಗೊಂಡು elbow bend ಮಾಡಿ ತಲೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಿಡಿ. Super. Relax. ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅವಾಗಲೇ. Mindfulness is what is your intermediate. ಅವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. But then when you start understanding clarity of the mind, you know the alignments better. Okay? Now take some time, wrist free ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. And then let's head into some good rocking movements. We will be doing both the rocking, regular rocking and Paschimottanasana, Halasana rocking. And that is the last practice for today. Okay, last practice. This is what I was telling that time, single leg twisting. So we'll drop like this, both the legs a little bit. And the left side I'm dropping. The right leg, I'm going to lift a little bit more. And drop a little bit more like this. So I should find a stretch here. Okay? I'll show you once again. It's not like this. First thing is one above each other. And then keeping it, see, I'm twisting from here. Twist and go. And come back. Okay? You see, from here and twisting. You can use your hand also like I am using, see? Right? One ಕೆಳಗಡೆನೆ ಕಾಲು. Lower leg, upper leg will lift. Yes. Can you feel it here? Exactly. Yes. You give that hand. Use it here. Pull. Understood? So this will stretch you. Yeah, this is therapeutic for sciatica. Do 4 rounds on both the sides. That's the last. So we'll head into Shavasana from there. So keep your body absolutely free. Lakshmi, ನೀವು ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೊರಡಬಹುದು, ಬಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. You should feel rest. Nervous system should calm down completely. So keep your body absolutely free and dead on the floor. Close your eyes. Be present in the moment. Enjoy the beautiful changes through the process of cooling down here. Supposing if you feel through the scanning you're holding anything in tightness, then you can always loosen it up, okay? So don't stay in any kind of discomfort. For next 30 seconds to 1 minute, we will observe silence and imitate a dead man here. And after a few seconds of silence, you're better connected with the body. You've given your body into the gravity. You're resting well. Your mind is at more peaceful level. Your breath is slower. We will focus on the breathing pattern for next couple of seconds. Focus on the texture, focus on the rhythm. Focus on gentle rise and fall in the breath. Focus on body responding to the breath. A bit by bit deeper inhalation. A bit by bit longer exhalation. Like this, we will work at least for 5 breaths, where we are progressively trying to reach deeper and longer. Expansion in the system, relaxation in the system. Deep breathing relaxes the nervous system. The physical practice always activates the sympathetic nervous system, which is always related to your physical activities. And Shavasana, deep breathing, pranayama, everything relates to your parasympathetic nervous system, which is more related to the mind. Just letting go your breath here. Now you can observe the mind for next few seconds. With a smile, observing mind or drawing your vision inwards. Like you can bring your focus towards the third eye region, the cortex region, just to draw yourself inwards. To get into the union of your soul. Now, inhaling deeply while exhaling, chant Akara. Inhale. Inhaling deeply as you exhale, chant Ukara. Inhale. Mentally preparing for Makara. Inhale. Once again. Vishranti. Slowly bring your awareness back to the body. Feel your body. Start moving your toes and your fingers. Start moving your ankles and your wrists. Start shaking the legs and your arms. Start moving the waist and the hip. Start moving the shoulders and the neck. Awaken the body and join the body. Take the right hand, left hand and the left leg. Turn to the right. Turn around slowly from the right side. Come up slowly, find the balance and adjust your posture to come into your meditative posture. Take your time to readjust the body around the sitting bones. Again, take a pause and just notice how do you feel, what are the signals from the body. The breathing pattern. And then bringing your palms to the chest. Atmanjali Mudra, Tri Omkaras and Shanti Mantra. Inhale smoothly. Sarve bhavantu sukhinaha, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukha bhag bhave. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hands to be open with the inhalation here. And with the exhalation to stretch, to gradually feel your surrenderism and gratitude
Mother Earth.
Inhalation, come back, release, rub and bring that heat between your palms. Cup it and feel the warmth. Massage your facial muscles, all the sense organs, the nose, the eyes, the ears, the chin, the lips, the throat. And when you're ready to open your eyes, blink your eyes and softly gaze into the palms. Thank you, all of you. Have a good day. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.